This is the season of random weather changes. One day you will feel hot enough to make you perspire, and the other day you will feel cold enough to take a blanket around you because of the heavy rainfall. This season not only brings a lot of fun and excitement for the festive season, but also brings along a number of health problems, mostly cold, cough and viral fevers that occurs mostly due to the seasonal changes. And you know that whenever you visit a doctor regarding this kind of problems, just cold, cough and viral fevers, they will just administer you with antibiotics. Though antibiotics are very much effective in curing this kind of diseases, but they also have a very bad effect in our digestion procedure. Most of them causes a number of digestive problems including loose motions and constipation. So this chain of cold and cough and viral fever along with the administration of antibiotic and the occurrence of various type of gastric issues continues. So to cut through this continuous chain of health problems, today me Debjani Gupta Neogi, a dietitian, I am going to help you out to improve your immune functions that will help you in preventing the infectious diseases such as cold, cough, viral fever, etc. and will also give you some remedies that will help you in preventing the occurrence of digestive issues when you are on antibiotics. So whenever we talk about immune boosting food, the first thing that comes to our mind is vitamin C rich food. Of course, they help us in improving the immunity, but apart from that, there are also a number of food that will help you in improving and boosting your immunity, that will help in preventing you from a number of infectious diseases such as cold, cough, viral fevers, etc. and will also make you very much healthy to deal with any kind of infections that occurs to you. So let us have a look towards the food that will help you with your health and will also prevent the number of diseases that occurs due to the seasonal changes. So the first immune boosting food is citrus fruits. The first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about citrus fruit is oranges, lemons, muskmelon, grapes, musambi, etc. Of course, there's a very good content of vitamin C and are also the most common sources of vitamin C that is mostly known to boost our immune health. But apart from all of this citrus fruit, do you know that guava is also a very good source of vitamin C? It has almost 2 times more vitamin C than any other citrus fruit that is available. So to boost your health, apart from choosing lemons and oranges in your fruit plate, you can also choose guava to boost your health and immunity. The next immune boosting food could be papaya, that is ripe papaya. Do you know that a single slice of ripe papaya is enough to give 200 times more vitamin C than any of the citrus fruits available in the market? Apart from that, it is also a very good source of vitamin A and folate that not only helps in improving your immune health but also helps in improving your blood count in your body. Apart from that, vitamin A also helps to maintain a very good and healthy skin. So having a single fruit that is papaya will help you in boosting your immunity, your skin health and also your hemoglobin levels. Along with papaya, you can also choose for kiwi that is equally known for these benefits. The next list of food that you can choose to improve your immune health is broccoli, bell peppers. It could be green bell peppers, red bell peppers or yellow bell peppers, and green tea. All of these are very good sources of flavonoids. And as you all know that flavonoids act as antioxidants. I always keep on saying that the free radical formation always has a detrimental effect in our body. So these antioxidants prevent the formation of these free radicals that not only help in boosting our immune system but also keep us away from stress and a number of infections that could occur in our body. It helps our body to fight against any of the other foreign organisms that is inserting or getting into our body. So whenever you're choosing your vegetables in this season, always try to keep broccoli and bell peppers in your diet to boost up your immunity. Next is garlic. A single clove of garlic has a very good content of sulfur and zinc, and both of these are known to prevent flu, cold and cough. So if you take a single piece of garlic clove every day, then of course it will help you in preventing from any kind of cold, cough and viral fevers that is occurring in the seasonal changes. Not only that, it also helps to keep your blood pressure in control. Therefore, a single clove of garlic is a bag full of nutrients that will help you in leading a very healthy life. Next immune boosting food is ginger. Only 5 grams of ginger can give you adequate amount of gingerol, shogaol and paradol. These are the polyphenols that helps in boosting your immune health, and not only that, it helps to give you relief from any kind of infection, basically throat infection. If you are having a throat infection, you can have a tea made out of tulsi leaves and ginger. This will help you in giving relief from the infection of the throat and will also help in boosting your immune health. The next immune boosting food is tulsi leaves. They are a very good source of bioflavonoids, phytochemicals and antioxidants like rosmarinic acid. It is known as the best herb to improve our immune health, and also it has antimicrobial effect that help in preventing infections occurring in respiratory tract. So it take care of the respiratory tract and also our immune system. But do remember, girls should not take tulsi leaves in its raw state because it may delay the ovulation in them. Whenever you are taking tulsi leaves, you can always take it in the form of kara or add it with liquor tea or green tea to get its beneficial effect. Next is yogurt. Yogurt is also a very good source of vitamin C. Apart from that, it is also a very rich source of protein. Mostly what happens, that is in diseased condition, our digestive tract, they become very weak. As a result of which we cannot tolerate any sort of non-veg foods, neither we can tolerate milk. So in that case, the best source of protein that is required by our body could be given in the form of yogurt or curd. Apart from that, the people who are on antibiotics can also take curd in their everyday meal. This will help in preventing any kind of digestive problems such as loose motions and constipation that occurs due to the consumption of antibiotics. Actually, what happens whenever we are taking antibiotics in our diet, they generally kill all the bacteria that are present in our body. That also include the good bacteria that helps in our digestion procedure. So what happens, as the good bacteria is not present in our body, so therefore the digestion of the food does not occur properly. That is the main reason of constipation and loose motion. So whenever you take curd in your everyday diet while on antibiotics, the gut is provided with a good bacteria through the supply of curd. So this will help in preventing any kind of gastric issues that is very much common in consumption of antibiotic. Try it and please let me know about the result in the comment section. Next is almonds. Almonds, as you all know, is a very rich source of protein and also a very good source of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid. This will help in giving the person energy and the required amount of protein that a person needs in minimum amount. Generally what happens, due to fever, we do not feel like having anything. That result in cutting down our daily meals to the minimum. So having these small snacks like having almonds will help in improving the immunity as well as the strength of the person to get back again to the normal life. Next is turmeric. As I always say, one of the best antimicrobial effect is provided by turmeric, not the one that is available in the market in powdered form, rather than the one that is available in the solid form. Having the solid form of turmeric and grinding it and having it with a glass of milk will help in improving the immunity because of its immense antimicrobial and antibacterial effect. It also has a good amount of antioxidant that prevents